Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a product that many of you with Jabra Netcom GN2000 or GN2100 headsets might find incredibly useful. The YDY-BSB replacement ear pads. It's a common scenario for anyone who uses their headset extensively. Those original ear pads eventually wear out, crack, or simply lose their plushness, making long listening sessions uncomfortable. This is where a quality replacement like these comes into play, promising to breathe new life into your beloved headphones. Upon first inspection, one immediately notices the materials used. These ear pads are crafted from high-quality foam and protein leather. The protein leather feels remarkably soft and smooth to the touch, a significant upgrade from what some might be used to with older, deteriorating pads. This choice of material isn't just about aesthetics. It's crucial for durability and, most importantly, comfort. The foam inside provides that essential cushioning, ensuring a snug yet gentle fit around the ears. The primary promise of these YDY-BSB ear pads is enhanced comfort, and they certainly deliver. For anyone spending hours on calls, gaming, or listening to audio, the difference is palpable. The improved padding reduces pressure points, allowing for extended periods of wear without the usual fatigue or irritation. It truly transforms the listening experience, making those long work days or gaming marathons far more enjoyable. It's like giving your ears a soft, supportive pillow. Installation, while not explicitly detailed in the product information, is generally a straightforward process for replacement ear pads of this type. Users typically find they can easily remove the old, worn-out pads and snap or stretch these new ones into place, revitalizing their headset in just a few moments. This ease of replacement means you don't need to be a tech expert to give your headset a significant upgrade. Considering these are a direct replacement for Jabra Netcom GN2000 and GN2100 models, the compatibility is spot on. The black color ensures they seamlessly blend with the original design of most headsets. For those who have invested in these reliable Jabra headsets, these YDY-BSB ear pads offer a cost-effective and highly effective solution to extend their lifespan and restore peak comfort. Instead of buying an entirely new headset, a simple swap of the ear pads can make all the difference. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain their audio quality and comfort without breaking the bank. These replacement ear pads are a definite recommendation for anyone looking to refresh their Jabra headset.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.